welcome back to another video. You're watching your favorite channel where you get to see latest information for your gadgets. And today's video is quite interesting because we are going to discuss and talk about HP's amazing variant that has captured most of us. And we have seen these series a lot of time. Yes, we have seen HP Pelvin's 15 series out there. If you talk about this 15 series, that is a super vast series out there. Not just because it has got a one variant or a two variant, it has got abundance of variants, or just defining or varianting only in the, we can say, naming. And the name has been deferred due to the internal functionality difference out there, which can be customized easily. And now talking about this variant and now talking about this version, we can say that this is a super amazing variant out here, offering you a great range of specifications, a great range of productivity, as well as a great range of, you can say, functionality and the functionality differences out there. So let us talk about first the few common things which this entire series has. The entire series has got a screen display of approximately 15.6 inches out there. This is the screen size which is very common in the entire series. 15.6 inches is the screen size out here, offering you a different processor out there. Yes, the processing system, the CPU, the Intel core is varying with each processor out there. You might find its customized function out there, or you might find that their functionality is differing out in every function. Now, when we talk about this series out, then there has been a difference in the name. Like you might find that HP's Pavilion 15 CS is there, along with you will also find 15 CW out there, or you might find 15 BC out there, or you might find 15 CC. So overall, there are a lot of gadgets out there. There are a lot of specifications out there you will find in this variant, and there has been a difference in the functionality as well as there is a difference in the internal components, not much in difference in the structurality, but definitely in the functionality and internal components there is a major difference out there. Now talking about this entire series, the entire series offers you 15.6-inch screen size, which we have already discussed. This is a common factor out here, but there is a difference in the RAM quality, there is a difference in the storage, there is a difference in the processing system. Everything differs out. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, then you will find that mostly they uses Intel Core processing system from i5 to i7. Yes, the core system out here is being used is from i7 or i5 out there. Mostly they are using this kind of a variant. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, if you talk about this version, then we can say that they all offer you some great specifications out there. Yes, offering you great specifications, or we can say a good range of connectivities. Along with that, if you talk about this variant, then there is a major difference in the storage capacity. It might vary and it might be very different out there. Yes, if you talk about the storage capacity, then it might be surprising that the storage is not just differing in MB or GBs out there. This is differing in entire TBs also. So you might find that the difference in the storage is because of the internal components and the upgradations. Because one series might offer you a low memory up to a high memory. So this is what is being offered out there. Now talking about this variant, let us talk about this version's major specifications. And when we talk about the major specifications, the processing system, let us start from there. Talking about this processing system, then it might be surprising that it offers you a great range of differences from i5 to i7 out there. Now this cannot be like customized only. Yes, it is not like you can customize it or not customize it. If it is possible to customize, then you can customize your gadget, but company itself has introduced this series in that way that you cannot customize it accordingly. If you talk about the 15 version out there, if you talk about the 15 series out there, then you will find that it offers you a great range of specifications in 15 CS offering you Intel Core i7. Yes, 15CS offers you Intel Core i7, whereas you will find that other versions out there, which is 15cc. Yes, 15cc offers you 8th generation Intel Core i5. So there is a difference out there. So there are major differences overall when you talk about this series, when you talk about this version, because each and every gadget offers you a different functionality, offers you different uh, processing out there. Now talking about the storage also, then there is a major difference in the storage. The processing or the storage out might vary from 256 GB to 1 TB. As there is a storage difference from 256 GB to 1 TB out there. Each storage is differing out, each storage differs out, uh, not just because it offers you a difference in the storage, but because it offers you a major difference in their, you can say, functionalities. Yes, there is a major difference in the functionality because of the storage. If it is offering you 1 TB, then there is a vast storage out available. And if it's offering you 256 GB, then accordingly other things have been compromised. You can say that. Along with that, the other common factor involving in this is the Windows operating system. Yes, it operates on a common operating Windows system. There has been a pre-installed Windows out there which can be upgraded up to Windows 10 Home Edition out there. Along with that, we can say it offers you approximately up to 16 GB RAM. Yes, from 8 to 16 GB RAM might be there, depending upon the variant it is using. Yes, depending upon the variant it is using, it might differ out. Along with that, it also varies that the type of storage we have in it, the storage type, like what kind of hard drive storage or the soft side storage out there, HHD or SSD type storage. So it also varies along with that. Whereas if you talk about the graphical part, there is a difference in the graphics used out from Intel HD Core graphics to NVIDIA GeForce graphic out there. So there is a difference in the graphical part also. So there are major differences involving in the Palvins, or we can say in this entire 15 series, HP 15 series. Now talking about this variant, then we can say that this series offers you a good battery life, offering you from 3.5 hours to 7 hours work time. So there is a difference in the work timing also, and there is a range of work timing that is from 3.5 hours to 7 hours work timing. Along with that, this screen size are quite good, offering you all the specific resolutions out there. Along with the keyboard has all the necessary keys, buttons out there, touchpad out there, along with the connectors out there like USB connectors, PowerPoint connectors, audio input output jacks, SD card readers out there. Everything could be seen out in this variant. The common factors which involved in this variant are the RAM type. It offers you DDR3 RAM type. Along with that, it offers you a good processing system as well as a good graphical part, because graphics plays an important role in multimedia. Yes, graphic plays an important role in multimedia because the audio input output here or the visuals out there has to be determined with the graphical part. Talking about this graphical part and the multimedia, this is also connected with the integrated webcam. The web camera, it has offers a great integrated webcam, offering you a good recording, connectivity with loved ones out there. Now this connectivity comes not just with the webcam but with the connectivity within itself. Within itself, it means that what kind of Wi-Fi it is being used, hotspot, Bluetooth connectivity, if any other internal functionality is there, what kind of functionality it offers. So there are a lot of things which have been in this variant. The webcam it offers is just 0.3 megapixel. Yes, there is a webcam offering you 0.3 megapixel, offering you the internal mic, stereo type speakers out here, as well as a Bluetooth version of 4.2 with Wi-Fi connectivity, Skype connectivity, inbuilt apps out there, with HP out inbuilt apps in that. As well as you get to see that this variant is offering you a great range in the, uh, we can say, functionalities out there. Yes, when we talk about the functionality is, we have been talking about functionality difference. This is determined with the processing system. the cache memory system, the internal RAM, and the external expandable storage out there. This determines the functionality difference, along with the spindle speed, rated memory speed out there. So these determines that kind of functionality. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, then we can say that this variant is being offered on various sites with n number of pricing, n number of gadgets out there. So let us talk about the site which offers you a great pricing for this. Talking about pricing, let us talk about the site. The site name is justatclick.com. Yes, the site name is justatclick.com. And when we talk about this site, when we talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant offers you great products in your pocket friendly rates. Yes, it offers you your gadgets in pocket friendly rates. Along with that, it offers you one option which is customizability option. Yes, there is an option which is called customizability option, so that you can customize your gadget according to your needs, like talking about the RAM quality, talking about the storage, Windows, everything which can be easily customized by the company itself or by the gadget. We can customize it. So now talking about this gadget, let us search this gadget and let us search this version out there in this search icon, which helps us to search our favorite gadgets in a very limited format. And now when we see, we have typed this version, we get to see that there are different variants. We were talking about CS, CW, BC out there, CC out there. So all of them have 15.6 inches screen size. Along with that, it offers you different functionalities. So let us search about that. So this is the result for our search. And when we talk about the result, this is HP Pavilion 15 CS 15.6 inch screen size, and every screen size offered out here is offering you 15.6 inches screen size. Along with that, you get to see a small description in all the formats. You get to see a small description. Every gadget offers you out. Along with that, you get to see that every gadget is offering you different specifications and different functionality differences. But the functionality difference out here offered are not much major differences, which we have already discussed about that. And now let us talk about any one format, and talking about these versions, let us talk about this variant itself. So clicking on this variant, we get to see that it offers a small description, which we already know, and a small description at the bottom. Now talking about this description, there is a condition written refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition also, because we know that refurbished products, they have been mentioned out here and most of them have been categorized as refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and know what is refurbished product. Talking about refurbished products, as we know that refurbished word, this word itself means creating something new, like, yes, this word means creating something new, like, or from the old things or the distorted things we can create something absolutely new, like brand new, like as it was earlier. Now what does this refurbished and brand new product majorly differs out, or we can say, does there is any difference in the structurality, functionalities out there? No, there is no difference in the structurality out here. There is no difference in the functionality. Everything remains constant out here. You will find that the structure, the design, everything is same. Whereas if you talk about the functionality difference, there is no difference in the functionality. They offer you the same function as they offered when they were brand new. And in fact, they are quite good that they have been repolished out, they are polished again, and they are created newly, like. So this is what all refurbished is about. Now there is a major difference that refurbished and brand new products offers out. There is a major difference, that is the pre-ownization. What is pre-ownization? Pre-ownization is nothing else but a gadget being pre-owned, which has been once used. This is what there is a major difference out there lies. Now, when we talk about brand new products, they are directly from the company into the market. So there has to be no doubt that it can be pre-owned or has been used once. No, there is no as such thing involved in this. But when we talk about refurbished products, then there is something related to this. Refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets which are resold by the original users. Yes, they are being resold out so that it can be reused or another person can use it. That is what a product is called refurbished. This refurbished does not mean that it is not being tested or it can be damaged out. It is not like that. It is something related to the testimoniality. Now, talking about the testimoniality, let us first talk about the passage, how it is taken out in the market. Talking about the passage, there comes the base, mediator, and the consumer. Base is nothing else but the person or the company which owns that gadget first. Every brand new product is owned by the company itself, as we already know. That company owns that gadget. Now the company wants to bring that gadget into the marketplace, that is the mediator, and wants to sell it to the users. Then it has to be brought in the marketplace. Now this marketplace is nothing else but the sites, online, offline sites, everywhere where you get to purchase or have your gadgets from. Now when you have your gadgets, when you take your gadgets, then it is sold off to the users by the market owners. Now this is what happens out in the market. This is for the brand new product. Now, what happens in the refurbished product? You have your gadget, you have used that gadget. Now you want to not use it and you want to resell it. Now, what you will do? Then it is being resold to the marketplace. Now, this user in the brand new becomes the companion or the base, or you can say the pre-owner of that gadget. Yes, this becomes the owner of that gadget. Now what happens, this wants to resell, then it is brought in the marketplace, that has to be tested and verified, everything has to be done. Now it is being resold to the users, that is the new user out here, that is being resold. Now when we talk about this marketplace, testimoniality, pre-ownization, what is the major difference out here? The major difference lies in the test place. Yes, the major difference lies in the test place out here. How? Companies before launching any gadget in the market has to test every particular gadget out there, every single test. Then it is brought into the market out there. Whereas in marketplace, what happens, that gadget is being pre-owned. When it is brought in the market for reselling, that has to be tested at that time before launching it into that particular site. Now this lies the difference out here, another difference out there. Companies, the original brand new products, are tested out on various sites out there. There are particular sites where each and every parameter are checked, like whether design, battery, connectivity, integrity, everything has to be checked out. Whereas in refurbished products, the site itself checks that product, verifies that product, and launches on their own site. This is what the major difference in the testing place lies. Now, when we talk about the test has been done, the marketplace is being used, it is sold off to the user. What are these tests involving? What kind of parameters are involved? What kind of things have been involved in this test parameters? The place is different, so what kind of tests are there? These tests are nothing else but they are the same tests which are used in the brand new products. Yes, the products which are used or the parameters which have been used in brand new are the parameters used out in the, we can say, refurbished. These parameters include the external and internal parameters. The external parameters includes nothing else but the parameters like display, design, scratches, buttons intactness, jack points out there, touchpad if it has, touch screen if it has, integrated camera, so camera quality out there, everything has to be checked, like externally, which you can see or check through your eyes, which does not require any kind of external equipment, you can say, or any external device, or any kind of software is not required. So external parameters are those. And after you check the external parameters, it comes to the internal parameters. These internal parameters are nothing else but these internal parameters includes all the internal components like the CPU, processor, chip system out there, Memory storage, yes, the internal storage, RAM storage, cache storage out there. Speed of RAM, spindle speed out there, processing speed out there, graphical paths, graphical speed, as well as the connectivity out there, the resolution out there, or even the if it has anti-glance, then that has to be checked. If it had HD display, then that has to be checked. Resolutions in every aspect it has to check. If it is offering you data connectivity, then what kind of connectivity is there? Bluetooth connectivity, then what kind of Bluetooth connectivity? Power backup out there, battery life has to be checked. So everything has to be checked, which needs uh, any specialized software or equipments to verify that particular segment or that particular element out there. So that has to be used. Now, once that product is verified, external and internal parameters have been checked. It is certified as a refurbished product because now it is in good quality. It offers you good service. It can be offered to be reused. Yes, this offers a good service, so it can be reused. But what would happen if it fails in any one test or there is any damage in it? It has to be replaced. Yes, that has to be replaced. Now, once it is replaced, it is not with any unknown part or from any fake parts out there. It has to be replaced with the original parts from the company itself, along with the accessories it provides. Yes, every gadget is provided with the accessories out there. Along with that, if you see any visible damage out there, that has to be rechecked and has to be verified and has to be corrected. If you see there is any scratch out there, that has to be checked and verified and has to be repolished. So every single point has to be checked so that it becomes absolutely brand new like. So this is the major thing which involves in this, that it has to be verified and modified into a brand new product if there is any damage out there. Now, there has been some advantages. There must be some advantages that we are using refurbished products over brand new. The major advantages of having a refurbished product or the benefits are that it offers you pocket friendly rates. It offers you pocket friendly rates. What does this mean? It means that brand new products are slightly expensive. Yes, you get to see that there are slightly high pricing for brand new products, whereas the refurbished products are actually quite pocketable, or we can say they are less expensive as compared to brand new. This comes to the second point, which allows us to save a great savings. Yes, you can save a great savings when you have a refurbished product. What happens is, when you have a refurbished product, then you can save a good amount of savings because there is a difference in the pricing. There's a difference in the price difference. Helps us to know that what kind of things you can use. If you can have that gadget in a refurbished condition, in a less price, in a pocket friendly price, then you can definitely have that brand new product in a refurbished form, or you can say in a refurbished format. But yes, the brand new product offers you 1 year warranty. There is a 1 year warranty out here along with exchange policy. But in pre-owned phones, in pre-owned gadgets, what happens? We do not get to have a warranty period along with it. Yes, mostly what happens when we buy any pre-owned gadgets from some sites, we do not get to have a warranty period. But yes, if you have a condition in it, yes, if you have a condition named or written as refurbished, certified refurbished, any of them, then you get to have 6 months warranty period along with 70 exchange policy. So you get to have these two additional benefits of having a refurbished product. If you're worried that pre-owned phones might not be good, but here you get to have 6 months warranty along with 70 exchange policy with it. Apart from that, if you talk about this refurbished products, then they are absolutely brand new, like absolutely same structure, functionally, and they provide you the same tests out there. Now let us go back to the site and check about the website once again. And we were talking at this site, that is just at click.com. Just at click.com, the name itself suggests just at a click. Yes, you are just a click away from your favorite gadgets now. This site offers you your favorite gadgets in your pocket friendly rates. Very pocket friendly rates, very great rating out there. Apart from that, you get to see a number of gadgets from your reputed and favorite brands actually. Apart from that, here it is actually a very hassle free shopping, you can say. Hassle free, like there is no rush out there because it's an online shopping site, so you can definitely have this online shopping site. COD is available on this site along with overall UAE parts. Yes, overall UAE parts की बात करें, overall UAE की बात करें या कहीं की भी बात करें, COD is available out here. Along with that, you get to have free shipping out there. Free shipping, that is free home delivery out here. This free shipping means that it takes approximately 48 hours in most parts of UAE, whereas Saudi might take up to a week. It might vary according to another factor which I'm going to discuss. That is customizability option. This site offers you customizability option which helps us to customize our gadget. Uh, Customizability mainly includes the RAM, hard disk storage customizability, or the inbuilt internal parts if it can, like processing, it can customize, which are already customized by the company itself. So you can customize your gadget accordingly. Apart from that, money back guarantee and online support system for 27 hours is there. So you can definitely check out the website. Link is given in the description box, or you can check out Google and type justatlink.com. Apart from that, this site offers you best pricing for your gadgets. So do visit out the website for your favorite gadgets. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and till then, bye.